my name's Inaya and I'm from UK. I'm recording this message for Ali Bhai. I want to say a big thank you to you, Ali Bhai, for helping me out with my difficult situation. I just want to let you guys know that I was in a relationship with this guy. I was madly in love with him, and then all of a sudden something happened between me and my boyfriend, and he blocked me from everything and I couldn't get in touch with him. That's when I started looking for spiritual healers who could probably help me out, and I got in touch with few and I paid thousands and thousands of pounds and I didn't get anywhere. Then I got Ali Bhai's number and I rang him and I spoke to him about my problems and how I've been going to spiritual healers and what they did to me. And he took my name, he took the guy's name, the guy that I loved, and he obviously must have done some reading, and he came back to me and he said that he can do my work. It's going to take a bit of time, but he'll be able to do it. And I was surprised that that how amazing Ali Bhai is. Like, even just talking to him, people that already know him, people that already have spoke to him, they know what I'm talking about. Even just talking to him, he is just so amazing person that 50% of your stress will just go away just by talking to him. That's how amazing he is. And since Ali Bhai has been in my life, I'm like, it's like I've got no worries whatsoever. It's like, okay, if I want to get anything done, I'll go to Ali Bhai and he will help me out. This was the main thing for me. I mean, things between me and my boyfriend were really complicated. There was a lot more going on with that, and Alhamdulillah, Ali Bhai have sorted everything out for me. Today my boyfriend is actually talking to me, he's texting me, he's calling me. We are on good terms, and that's all because of Ali Bhai. And I just want to say a big thank you to you, Ali Bhai. I'm so shocked that I found you so late. I wish you were the first person that I got in touch with. And any one of you who's struggling with any kind of problems or relationships, please get in touch with Ali Bhai. He's absolutely amazing person and he will help you out. Please just try him. He's absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, Ali Bhai. Thank you so much.